save hours of time and get good notes when you're watching video tutorials. It uses a tool called the Windows Snipping Tool that's on everybody's computer. It uses Windows. It looks like this. I'm sure you're familiar with it. If you're not, Google it. And it also uses this tool called Ideal Automated Explorer, which you can download by Googling Ideal Automated Explorer and just downloading. Ideal Automated Explorer is like a file explorer, except it has tabs, and it does a lot more for you. One of the extra things that it does for you is gives you this way to save clicks every time you're trying to use the snipping tool to put information about a video tutorial into a WordPad document. So I'm going to launch this tool in image processing section called Snipping Tool. And when it does, it launches the snipping tool and then minimizes it and replaces it with this little dialog that you can use to take the snippets of the video that you're watching and put those snippets into a WordPad document. I've already opened a WordPad document called Streamline Syllabus because that's the video. We're going to use this as an example to see how we can save all these keystrokes and how we can put all our snippets and our comments in this WordPad document for us automatically. So, the first step is to go to a video tutorial. I have a website called myqol.com, and it has like 17,000 hours catalog of video tutorials on programming. And one of the video tutorials I wrote myself, and we'll select this. This is just to give an overview for a new person of the pieces involved in .NET programming. So this first video we'll look at, I'll open it up here. Now I've got it muted so you'll be able to hear me instead of the video. And we will open it in full screen. So you'll notice we have this dialog from the Ideal Automated Explorer, and then when we reach something in the video that we want to take a snippet of, we don't have to open up the snipping tool, do a lot of fancy stuff. We just pause the video, you click on this, and there were two options. You could have done it with comments or without comments. I chose with comments. Then all you have to do to do a snippet is draw a box on what you're interested in, say done snipping, and then you can enter your comments right here. And what it's going to do for you, instead of you having to open up your WordPad file and put everything in there, it's going to do all that for you. Cut and paste your comments and the snippet that you took, and then it's going to restart the video for you. It's going to re-minimize the snipping tool and give you this dialog back again so you can do more snippets next time you reach something that might be of interest. That's it for you. So we'll stop the tutorial and show you what ended up in the WordPad document. It's all set for taking the next snippet. If you click with just snip, you do not need, you are not presented with that dialog to add comments, but you can add comments after. So that's how easy it is to automate the steps of using a snipping tool to create your own little slide deck of video tutorials that you watch. And I find this very helpful to come back, instead of rewatching the whole video, I take snippets of all the action steps that are required to do something, put them in this Word document, and I can just come back to the Word document, WordPad document, and use that instead of having to go through the whole video tutorial again. I also take snippets of the table of contents each time watching a new section, so and put that in the Word document to help me know exactly where in the video tutorial it was that I took the snippet, so I'll know which section. That's also helpful. So I hope you enjoy using the free tool. Thanks for watching.